Then you can establish your cars, your nice clothes, stuff like that. But it's really hard to say this stuff and people understand it because, like I said, when I start over every year, because I work until Christmas time, and then after Christmas I get laid off for like 3 months, and then by the time I get back to work, I done sold everything just to keep the lights on for a couple months, picked up every little thing I could, and do whatever I can to make money, just to make it through the 3 months. And then when I get back to work, I'm right back into getting everything caught back up, getting everything built back up. And then about the same time, I'm right back into Christmas coming around, and because it's coming around now, like I'm dealing with it right now. Like I'm getting school supplies and stuff like that. Then I'll have Halloween, and then after Halloween, we'll have Thanksgiving, then right into Christmas, and right after that I'll be laid off again. And it's just a routine that you can't get out of. So that's why I said, being a painter, I don't know if I'd recommend it to my kids, even though I love my kids to death and I would love to see my kids come to work with me. I tell them all the time that, like, I want my son to go to the service. I would much rather have my son go to service. I have a daughter. I told her, you should be in the service. They pay you to learn how to, like, get educated. And she don't want to go to war, and she's like a little tiny thing, so she thinks that she's going to be on the front lines. It's funnier than crap because, there's so much going on behind the scenes that she just don't understand. Like, she don't understand the whole military thing. Like, they're going to put the 6'5", 350-pound guy on the front line. That's the guys that's going to be out there in hand combat fighting. People like her is going to be in the operating rooms and behind a desk, and she doesn't understand that part. She thinks that she gets signed up for the military, that as soon as she signs up, she's going to go straight to war and die. But that's that scaremongering people's got going on, and all this crazy news and stuff. Like, this is how far down that rabbit hole people's gotten. Like, we need to get back to common sense. But I'm getting down a rabbit hole. My main thing is, like, it's hard to teach people and give people an honorable job when you got to pay them so much in order to compensate for everything. And like I said, I should be making $30 an hour, and I'm making $10 under that just to have work, because